Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality proof video. I haven't done it in a while. We've been in vacation for 6 weeks. This is for a main board for LG 34UM95-P. That was sent to us for unit being bad. As usual, I'm focusing on some unique markings on the board that the customer can recognize upon receiving. I don't see their initial. Could be somewhere on the back, could be behind those connectors if they put any. But this is their board, and this is the board that they will see when they receive it back. The plastic supporter here was broken, and we had to use some silicone to affix it stably to the board because both legs that snap in there were broken, or at least one of them. There's another video, another board of those that I'm going to do a video next for, but for the time being, just this one. I'm only showing input through the HDMIs because we still haven't done reliable Thunderboard support, but we had practically zero issues that I can remember, with one exception where connector was torn off, and there was a video of that. It was a mechanical failure. We had zero problems with boards that this was, we got to work and there were problems afterwards with some of the other ports. The fact that we see what we see is practically in hundreds of repair boards sufficient indication that this is working fine. It's just being fed with signal from the cheap media player, and that's all. Thank you very much. That board was already paid for, so it's going to leave tomorrow for Canada. Thanks.